Hi, my name is Tony Cimbalo with Cimbalo Construction. I am based out of the Chicagoland area and have 18 years experience in the construction field. Today's how-to video, we will be replacing or installing a door latch. First, grab the door latch. I already have some pre-drilled holes. After pre-drilling our holes into the door, we'll take our screw, screw in our latch. Now when installing this latch, there are two sides to it. Make sure the bolt is going down. Now we take our clasp and our pre-drilled holes onto the 2x4, screwing it in. Whenever screwing in to anything, we don't want to strip out the screw, so make sure you always pre-drill. After getting done, make sure that our bolt lines up with our clasp. And that's how we install a latch onto a door.